In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. To get started with the video, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Amazon.com on your browser. Now in here, go ahead and sign in to your Amazon account. So the next thing that you'll need to do in here is to set your delivery address. So after that, just go ahead and look for an item that you want to buy on Amazon. So make sure that this item's price is below and not above the amount indicated on your gift card, since we'll use this gift card to be able to check out our item. Now you can also check out an item above the price indicated on your gift card. Just make sure that you can cover for its payment. And here, go ahead and click on the buy now button once you have selected an item to buy on Amazon. And this will redirect you into the payment section of Amazon. Now, on their payment method, you'll need to enter the code in this area, which is under add a gift card or promotion code or voucher. Now, you'll need to enter the gift card code in this area and click on the apply button to be able to apply your gift card on Amazon on your current purchase. Now, once you're done entering the code in this section, go ahead and hit on the checkout button to be able to check out this item on your Amazon account. And that's how you can simply redeem an Amazon gift card. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.